What's up, you guys? This is Kiki from Kiki's channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how to do a wing liner. So we'll be learning how to do this wing liner. Most of you guys said it's a cat eye, so I'm just like, okay, cat eye, wing liner, whatever you want to call it. Yes, this is what we're going to be busy with today. So I did ask some of you, my subbies, which video would you guys want to see next, and many of you guys did mention that you would love to have a tutorial based on the wing liner. So here it is, guys. Today I am basing this entire tutorial on a wing liner. So I do have other videos where I have done the wing liner on camera, but I just didn't go in detail about it. So in this video I'll be going in more detail about the wing liner and how I do it. If you want to see how I get this wing liner done, stay tuned in. So wing liner needs so much precision, so I decided that I am going to be doing voiceovers on this video. As you can see, I'm using my angled brush and my palette from Switch Beauty, and I'm using the black wax color to carve out my wing liner. So what I usually do is stretch my eye to help me to carve out my liner perfectly. And stretching the eye actually helps you to not have a bumpy line, but a very straight, sharp line. So now I'll be lining from the bottom, and I'm going to be joining that bottom line with the top line that I've created in order to create that very sharp knifed out liner. And what we're going to be doing here is filling in the empty spaces. As you can see from the inner corner of the eye, there's some empty spaces throughout the outer corner. So we're just going to be filling in those spaces just so we have a very dark, sharp wing liner. So now I'll be doing the very same thing I did on the first eye on the second one. now it's time to knife out your wing liner, girl. So how you do this is you take any kind of concealer you want to use. I'll be using white, of which I know not many of you guys will want to use white. So what I would recommend is you can either mix two colors, or you can either just use your normal concealer or normal foundation to knife out your wing liner, just as I'm going to be doing right now. So this step of knifing out just basically helps to shape out your wing liner and to make it as visible as possible. Oh, and another thing that I will add is that your brush needs to be as flat as possible for whether you're applying the eyeliner or you're doing the concealer. For both steps, your brush has to be very, very flat. So any flat brush will do in this wing liner process. So now I will be applying my Revlon Mega Multiplier Mascara, and yeah, I was speaking to my granddad there. And as per standard procedure, y'all already know we have to highlight and we have to contour and so on. Yes. So now I will be going in with my Yusha's Palette Cosmetics bronzer. It's a very subtle bronzer, so it doesn't even show as much, but then I didn't want to go too much with the bronzer here. So now guys, I got caught up taking pictures, so I didn't get time to film an outro, but then I will share these pictures with you. But for now, I'll be showing you the finished look using my intro. I am Kiki Kikalo on all socials, and alternatively at Kiki's Parlor. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.